Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super useful, creating a weekly planner in Google Sheets. First things first, open Google Sheets and create a new document. We'll start by setting up the basic structure of our weekly planner. We're going to set up columns for each day of the week and rows for different time slots or tasks. Feel free to customize this based on your needs. Next, let's format our planner to make it visually appealing and easy to use. Adjust the column widths and row heights to fit your preferences. A bit of color can go a long way. Let's add some colors to differentiate the days and tasks. You can also add borders to keep everything neat and tidy. Now that our planner is set up, let's add some tasks. Simply click on a cell, type in your task, and you're good to go. You can also add notes, set priorities, and even share your planner with others. Google Sheets offers great collaboration features, so you can share your planner with your team or family members and keep everyone on the same page. And that's it. You've created a functional and stylish weekly planner in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments how you customize your planners. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. I will add view link for this Google Sheet so you can make yourself a copy and edit it for yourself.